In this video, we'll show you how to create a LinkedIn account.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us.
LinkedIn is a powerful professional networking platform that can help you connect with people in your industry, find job opportunities, and showcase your skills and experience to potential employers. Step 1. Go to the LinkedIn website, linkedin.com, and click on the Join Now button. Step 2. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Make sure your password is secure and contains a combination of letters, numbers, and symbol. Step 3. Complete your profile by adding your work experience, education, skills, and any other relevant information. This will help other users find you and understand your professional background. Connect with other LinkedIn users by searching for people you know or by importing your email contacts. This will help you expand your network and discover new opportunities. Step 4. Upload a professional profile photo. This should be a high-quality headshot that showcases your professionalism and approachability. Step 6. Use the Jobs section to search for job openings in your industry. You can filter your search results by location, job function, industry, and other criteria. Step 7. Take advantage of LinkedIn Learning, which offers a wide range of online courses and tutorials on topics such as leadership, communication, and technology. This can help you improve your skills and advance your career. Step 8. If you're a business owner or recruiter, use the Post a Job feature for advertising job openings to LinkedIn's vast user base. that's it. With these simple steps, you can create a LinkedIn account and start taking advantage of all the platform has to offer. Thanks for watching.